condition is this: if you deserve, if they will check, they will understand, they want to give you. Those you are getting here, Keval Kumbhaka, that is not a simple thing, okay? That I got from somewhere. Only 3 days learning. After that, I not found where is that ashram, where is that place. That was the place actually from the Badrinath, from 300 kilometer. I was going on the Satopant with 2 monks. Monks disappeared. I was alone. No one is there. Temperature is very low. Approx 1, 2, in the daytime 3, 4, in evening 1, 2, sometimes 0, sometimes minus. And nobody there. Then what I do? Okay, then I understand. They leave me alone. Okay, to Satopant I was going. There was one lake. From there, sometimes you hear about in Himalaya, what place is there? The stairs of heaven. Clear? That is not a stairs actually. I saw there is the only snow and the clouds and the feeling that there are stairs. But that stair cannot be just by our stairs. No, so big stairs. But I saw the Satopant Tal, which says lake, very pure, very clean. And one thing found there, only dogs found there. They will show the path. If they saw you, they will come to you and start their walk. Means they are saying, follow me. They will be bring till that. That is the ancient story about the Yudhishthira. Yudhishthira during the Pandavas, the all Mahabharat finish, they all goes towards there. So according to his karma, he is left. His body is going away. Okay. Yudhishthira reached till the end because he is the follower of the Dharma. He known as Dharmaraja. So only he reached. His wife, 4 brothers, one by one, and some symptoms is also there. They makes there. I don't know that is myth or that is truth. But I saw Bhimshila is there. After Badrinath, I saw on the Saraswati. You hear the Yamuna and Ganga. Okay? Not here. Maybe here, not see the Saraswati river anywhere. NASA proven that Saraswati is underground from there. So that is the source. Where is the Saraswati? You can see the Saraswati is coming. Then after Saraswati not found anywhere. On the ground, invisible. So when we cross that, then we reach, and there is the bridge. What is that bridge? They say Bhimshila. One is the brother of Pandavas, name is Bhima. Is very powerful. He broke one mount and make that bridge by that stone. You can be crossed by that. So they says, this is the Bhimshila. After that, they are going, because they was immortal. Krishna leave the body, and then they ask, where I go? They say, go, Shiva, okay. So they are going there. Only Dharmaraj reached there. Dharmaraj have one dog. So the myth is this, that dog belongs to him. Nobody feeding, no person is found there. How the dog is there? Nobody knows. Where he lives, nobody knows. In this temperature, dog how is surviving? Till now. If you want to go, yes. After the Badrinath, when you cross the Satodhara, that Shasthara, then after that, the level come, where you reach that, then the dog automatically found you. Dog automatically come you. And if you want, he goes with you. After that, it says, is mentioned in the scriptures, Yudhishthira goes to heaven. Yudhishthira goes to heaven, and dog was there till now waiting. Because dog not deserve, because he not did any karma, only bhoga, but he is blessed, you will be here to show the path. That's why. Many times, TV camera is there, yes. And what found TV camera? TV camera found, what we say, the him manav. क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? आदि मानव. What says that? Is very big. It's not gorilla. Very big.
Yes.
80.
Hercules.
They found the 80. And they check in the, they take the photo in 80 in camera. When he look, then he run. They found the footprints of the 80. That is the place. Camera cannot be go more. Immediately 80 ran towards the snow, not come in front of them. I don't know. Because I don't seen. Those I seen, I'm telling them. On that point, from there, the place of Shambhala start. If you deserve, they will become. I feel there, I want to be stay there. What I feel? Very good ashram. And that ashram surrounded by a lake and one bridge of the wooden. When I entered there, I found there two women. I know the name. Uma, Ma. She says, hey, she catch my head and she says, tell Ma. I say Ma. And she says, my name is Umama. I say Umama. And so big man, so heavy man. It looks like a just double me. Okay, it's like this. Hey, you came here? I say yes, Guruji. And he said, you are tired. You go to eat some food. And what I saw, they are doing only the practice and discussion. Some masters was there. They are discussing in Sanskrit, talking on the practices. Then they asked me about my practice of pranayama. I tell, I learned this. From where? I say, Mahatapa. His name, he says his name is Mahatapa. So big. I share this experience of masters, and the master just was smiling. They not give any answer. They say, you reach there? I say, Guruji, I don't know. Because next day I want to be again. Because I walk little, then I feel weather is not good. Can be the rain, can be the snow. So instead of to found any cave or any stone, I feel why not to go back? Just 1 hour I will be reached. But when I go back, I not found. Not any tree, only stone and water and snow. I feel no, this mountain, yes, here. I saw that here, nothing was there. Then after 3 days, I was searching everything, everywhere, alone, not found. It's more than 25 years. Then and here is Guruji is too much worried about me. When I came back, he looked my face, hey, where you was? I say, I don't know, I somewhere lost in the Himalaya, but I have little experience. I got something, I saw one ashram, but that ashram, I was wondering, in this place, how can be possible to such a beautiful ashram, beautiful peoples? Just 3 days I was there. And I did, some master was doing pranayama, Nadi Shodhana, it's complete. And when they reach in that retention, and they show me how to levitate. By these eyes, I saw the levitation. It's clear. I saw. And I was checking in his, hey, where is base? Where you are sitting? And then he smiles, he says, I'm here. After that, I cannot ask anything. He asked me, what you are practicing? I say, I am practicing this sequence, this is. So, Ashwani Mudra, just they liked it. Yes, good. Ashwani Mudra. What is your goal? I say, Urdhav Retas Bhava is my goal. My all energy should be fly up. Then what he says, one day you will fly, don't worry. But in reality, I not fly. In dream, I fly many times. And when I happening open the eyes, and I am thinking, wow, how I am flying. I feel some pressure comes in between the genitals and in between my perineum. Some pressure comes, and I do that. Then I go up. I more and keep continue. Then with speed. It was the experience. Energy, that's why I am feeling. Prana is going. When I share this experience with some master, they say, hey, your prana is flying, you have the experience, you are flying. Some masters, they only smile, they say, where you found this? I said, there. Then they say, you should be meet with some Paramhamsa. Fortunately, in my life, I not found any real Paramhamsa. I know that Dakshineshwar Kali, Kolkata, I go there about Swami Ramakrishna Paramhansa, but only I can be know about him. I cannot be meet any Paramhamsa master. They say Paramhamsa is directly. Then they say go to the Gandh Baba, Kashi Varanasi. Gandh Baba, his name is Vishuddhananda. I go there, what I saw there? Many years back, he passed away, only his building is there. In that building, he knows how to change the form of anything. If I want to this gold, Vishuddhananda can do. He changed any metal and he creates any smell about his. This was very famous, that's why his name was Gandh Baba. Gandh means smell. Okay, Gandh Baba. But his name is Vishuddhananda. He asked, what you like? Which flower you like? Sir, I like, Guruji, I like very much jasmine. Jasmine. Okay, jasmine. Jasmine. And then 3-4 times just he said, jasmine. Jasmine. And look to the Tratak on the sun. What time it doesn't matter. He can see the sun. Then after nobody can see his eyes. Then again he says jasmine. And after that, in the atmosphere, jasmine smell everywhere. If he will touch, means minimum 1 month, jasmine will not go from here. How much wash? No problem. So, but ancient history and some master says they all masters are alive. Physical body is not, but they are available in rainbow body. Is clear? Rainbow body. If you have any opportunity about, you should be read in form of rainbow body. Is clear? Diffuse this body. All 5 element goes to his home, understand? And what is rest? Only colors and light is there. Rainbow. You saw the rainbow. Sequence of rainbow. That is the sequence of your chakra. It's clear? You saw the rainbow. Sequence of the chakra. Master says, oh, rainbow. If they looks anywhere is rainbow. Rainbow coming in the experience when they feel very happy. That's why you realize, you recognize at that time what type of the weather. Really is very good weather when rainbow is coming. It's clear? When they feel very happy and harmonizing the nature, then the rainbow come. Then they come, the other people can see the color of the. They all are enlightened soul, nothing else. They are not, they are present. So everywhere they are. He knows everything. It's clear? So Mahatapa Babaji actually lives in Tibet. And I ask, hey, this big man where live? He says his cave in the Tibet. Okay. In Tibet, okay. In Tibet, I understand. After that, I hear something about this Kriya Yoga. Then they say, listen, he is a Mahavatar Babaji. Sambhala is the name of the village. There is enlightened soul in Himalaya somewhere. They lives there. Okay. Same, they know Shangri-La. And that is the timeless zone. If anybody enter there with physical body, that body will not destroy. And that is fixed on 25-year age. So there is Mahavatar Babaji, they told, enter there. That's why he looks always 25-year-old. He is immortal. He cannot be died. I don't know, my dear, what I feel, what I hear from the masters, I share here. Okay, China is searching that. That's why they acquire. Just like everybody knows some red secret diary of US. Huh? Nobody knows about it. One place is that in the US, there nobody can go, only some scientist goes. And they says they have the connection with the another world. Means, what we say is the plate? Which plate? No. Yes, some. That is secret. We cannot deny that, but is there somewhere? Where is, and that mention in that, so those comes on that seat? Yes, they knows about it. If anybody, any scientist reach in area 51, then after, nobody can meet with him, nobody can talk with him. Little bit I know because my father's sister's son, means my cousin, huh? My father's sister's son.
I knew someone that worked there, and he told me, I met him in Peru, and he told me that they'd put him in a truck, and he'd be like literally windows blacked out, and then taken into another like complete isolation till he got to his zone, and then he would work, and then he'd be completely taken out. The same
3
way.
years
Yeah.
from the 93, 96, I know about him. My brother, he was the atomic scientist, and he was working previously in Jordan Valley, Rochester. Okay. Then after he few years was in Texas. Then after where? Nobody knows. When I asked to his wife, she not tell anything. She is living with the children. Childs don't know where is his father. When his father